Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can trade your Monopoly cards, and it's actually really simple, so just follow my steps throughout the video. But first of all, you want to open up the Monopoly Go app. So once you did that, go ahead and close anything that pops up. And now what you're going to do is you're going to click on the album. And now that you're here, here's what you're going to do. First of all, you cannot trade cards that you don't have duplicates of. For example, I only have one card of this thing. So what I have to do is I have to have a duplicate to be able to sell it off. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and click on the bottom right corner once we have our duplicate, the green box right there. And now that we're here, we can go ahead and exchange our duplicates for our cards, and we're going to get rewards from it. The rewards are going to be these little stars. And when you have enough stars, what you're going to be able to do after you trade in all your duplicates is try to buy one of these boxes. And these boxes are going to go ahead and give you some rewards for it. So it's actually basically just exchanging any duplicates you have. So that's basically how you're going to be able to sell off your cards. Now, if you don't have any duplicates, but you want to get some duplicates to sell off, you're just going to have to keep working on buying them. So to do that, you're going to go to the top right corner and go to the shop. And you're going to scroll. And you should be able to buy some sort of cards here. And at the top, as you can see, I have a gift there. So I'm going to click that. And there you go. I got 30 dice, but I could have brought you 50 else. Sorry, 30 die. But that's basically how you could go ahead and sell your cards. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.